So I did use a mixture of gloss, which I used up here, as you can see, and matte. And you'll be able to see the variations, which I love, okay? So I do have some of the texture here. I kind of went in that curvy motion, and I love all the lines. If you guys have watched my painting journey so far with abstract painting, you know that I love my lines, I love geometric shapes. I just love all of the interest in this piece. And like I said, I did some light blending. I added more silver over top so that you could see some of the stuff that was underneath, and just to give, you know, more depth and not to make it static and just kind of still. And it doesn't. It has lots of movement and flow and texture and gloss and matte. And then of course all that gorgeous shimmer from the metallics. I love the texture from up here. Again, that was what I already had on the canvas, and I kept that in mind where I was laying my paint so that it would be highlighted, and I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys like this too. If you do, please let me know. I don't want to be doing tons of the same style video if you guys aren't enjoying it, even if I love it. I mean, at least I'll try it, but I definitely want your guys' feedback. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate it. It's free. We're on our journey to 20,000, and it's all because of you guys, and I really appreciate it. So until next time, I will see you in the next one.